learning, whatever we all are learning in the class, whatever your kids are learning in the class, that we teachers are trying to give a small summary of the learning in the class. ठीक है, whatever learning is happening in the class, we teachers are trying to give you that little work. All right, so right now students of class 2, they are coming after 18 months in the school. So some students are some students तो don't have even the notebook, किसी के पास तो कॉपियां ही नहीं हैं. And some students, some parents have done the very nice effort. So this clap for those parents who are paying attention towards your child's studies. So this is especially for you. Okay. अब in the class 2 day 1 and day 2 तो हम एडजस्ट करते रहे टीचर बच्चों को यहाँ से वहाँ, and then we are telling them about their timetable, about their notice, about their routine. ठीक है. So today a little revision I have done in the class 2, PT2 revision. ठीक है, EVS class 2 and revision of PT2. ठीक है, revision वाला part I have done in the class, revision of PT second. ठीक है, so whatever revision I have done in the class, I am going to write that revision. Okay, so your heading is take the correct answer. Your heading is take the correct answer. ठीक है, आप सब स्टूडेंट्स तो आर एट योर होम्स, बहुत सारे बच्चे घर पर हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे जो हैं वो इस शहर में ही नहीं हैं, वो दे आर अटेंडिंग द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस वेरी फार फ्रॉम खरगोन. ठीक है, सो दिस इज रिवीजन फॉर देम. नंबर 1, which ones comes from plant? Which one comes from plant? Plant से हमें क्या मिलता है? What will come from plant? So we got, there are 3 options. 2 are wrong, 1 is right. The right answer is cotton. The right answer is cotton. We get cotton from cotton plants, and cotton clothes are very cool. Number 2, wool comes mainly from, number 2, wool comes mainly from, wool कहाँ से मिलता है? Which animal give us wool? So there are 3 options: sheep, horse and cow. So the right answer is option A, sheep. Option A, sheep is the right answer. Okay, now number 3, silkworm feed on the leaf of, number 3, silkworm feed on which leaves? On the leaves of which leaves? Mango leaves, neem leaves or mulberry leaves? So the right answer is number 3, mulberry leaves. The right answer is mulberry leaves. MULBERRY, mulberry leaves पे वो फीड करती हैं. ठीक है, Number 4, we should not wear clothes made from. Number 1 I am going to graph and write. Number 4 वाला बच्चा. We should not wear clothes. Number 4, we should not wear clothes made from हमें कौन से टेक्सचर से बने कपड़े नहीं पहनने चाहिए? सो द राइट आंसर इज ए फर. FUR फर है ना. वी शुड नॉट वेयर द क्लोथ्स व्हिच इज मेड बाय द फर. फर से बने कपड़े नहीं पहनना चाहिए बिकॉज एनिमल्स आर killing to make these kinds of clothes. Animals are killing to make these kinds of clothes. So we should not wear the clothes which is made by the animal's fur. We should not wear the clothes which is made by the animal's fur. Okay, so dear parents, this much work I have done in 3 days. 3 दिनों में सिर्फ इतना ही काम मैं करवा पाई हूँ because students lost their writing speed, students lost their reading habits, even students lost how to sit in a class for a long time. All these habits our students has already lost. So we teachers are in very trouble. How we can control them? How we can make the discipline in them? How we can inculcate the discipline amongst them? How we can improve their handwriting? ठीक है? So we teachers feeling very helpless because class 2 में आपका बच्चा तो आ गया है लेकिन mentally वो अभी भी UKG में ही है क्योंकि UKG के बाद सीधे वो सेकंड में स्कूल आ रहा है. ठीक है. सो आपको भी उस बच्चे की कंडीशन समझनी होगी और भी टीचर्स तो आर गिविंग द बेस्ट. सो फ्रॉम माय साइड दिस मच वर्क आई हैव डन इन दीज 3 days, मंडे, ट्यूसडे एंड वेडनेसडे. 20, 21 एंड 22 में सिर्फ क्लास 2 में इतना ही हुआ है. सो यू कैन थिंक हाउ स्लोली वी टीचर्स आर मूविंग. बहुत धीरे धीरे ही हम उनको लाइन पर, पटरी पर ला सकते हैं. And hope dear parents you are understanding the problem of child. आप बच्चे की मनोदशा को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, मुझे ऐसी पूरी उम्मीद है. Okay, so till then thank you very much and have a great day. Thank you.